Welcome back to the channel. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to buy BlastUp, which is actually on the pre-sale. And for those of you who are interested, how to actually buy the token, which is currently available on their website. And to get access to the token, you can actually go to the blastup.io. Oh, sorry, I can actually see you're not seeing the right. Now I can see it. BlastUp.io. And within the BlastUp.io, you can see the tokens are live. And here you can see that they've raised almost 3 million. It might be even more when you're watching this. So there are a few options which you can buy with. So the first one's buy with Ethereum. You can buy with BSC. You can buy with Polygon. Or if you don't have crypto, you can actually buy with cards. So with buy with cards, I think it's the easiest amount. So you press buy with cards. You want to enter the amount. So let's say, I don't know, minimum amount is $10. And for it, you'll receive 181 Blast, which is at the current price of 0.055, right? So to do that, you'll have to connect a wallet. So I'll ask you to connect a wallet using a MetaMask. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to press connect. This is also my kind of testing wallet. I'm going to press next. Connected. Awesome. Great. And I can press buy now using a bank card. And with it, it moves you to Münzen and it tells you that you'll have to pay $12.71 to buy that amount. So as you can see, it's a chunky of $2.71 USD to buy it. So what I would recommend you to do, and I'm going to give you a simpler version, which doesn't have so much, well, maybe not simpler version, maybe the bit more expensive version to buy it, but you can also buy more and in a safer way to keep it on the wallet. So this is version number 1. Now we're going to version number 2, which is actually using the BSC option. So with the BSC, we want to use the smart chain, and with the smart chain, it says to me that you'll pay the $9.99 in the BNB BSC. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go to Binance. And when you log into your Binance, the first thing what we're going to do, if you don't have crypto, like you have just fresh account, you just created it, you don't have nothing, we're going to buy some crypto. So the first thing, if your app looks different, it might be on the light mode, which looks kind of like this. Because you're a professional now, because you just joined Cryptocurrency World, I'm gonna ask you to go to the top left and click that Binance logo. And then on the bottom, click Binance Pro. So on the Binance Pro, we're gonna go to wallets. And within the wallet, you're gonna press the gray button called buy. And here I can press buy with USD or peer-to-peer trading. I have a separate video which covers peer-to-peer trading. So we're going to just go with buy with USD using cards. Here, I'm going to then choose what kind of currency I want to use. So you can choose USD, you can choose Euro, you can choose GBP, and many others. So I'm going to choose USD. Then I'm going to choose the amount of USDT I want to buy. So then I'm going to put what I want to buy, which is USDT. I'm going to search for it. Great, buy USDT. And then pay with, it will ask me for a card. So as you can see here with me, it has the cards. So I'm going to press change, add the new cards. And for you, it will just says this. I'm going to press the amount to buy $15, which is the minimum amount. And I'm going to press add a new card. And within add a new card, fill in the address to add a new card, which is your card number, expiration date, CVV, billing address, etc. So as simple as that. After you add a card, you'll have it available for you here, so you can choose it. And when you choose it, you can just press buy BNB, and will tell you this is the approximate amount you're going to buy, and it's much cheaper to do it through here. All right, then you can have immediately the BNB on your account. If you already have some USDT or something like that, you can actually use the option on the market to do it. So I'm going to search for the BNB USDT because I have USDT, and I'm going to buy, let's say, $10 worth of USDT worth of BNB with USDT, right? So now if I go to my wallet, I should have 997, which is 0.017 of BNB. Okay, great. So now we did that. And now the second part is obviously putting that to your that blast, right? So we want to blast that thing, and the easiest way is to stick it to your MetaMask. So I'm gonna go to my MetaMask. This is my testing MetaMask, and I'm gonna go to my BNB. And here you have the option to kind of send it through. So I'm gonna send it to this address, which is my address of the BNB. And we're gonna wait few minutes for it to appear on that wallet. When withdrawing, just remember to put the BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20 network, not OPBNB or BEP2. This is important because you want to make sure that it actually arrives on the BSC network, and that's how we do it. I'm gonna press max and I'm gonna press withdraw. So now I can see that on my MetaMask the money arrived. So I can see that now 0.0256 is on in BNB, which is 14.97, right? So now I'm gonna refresh the page of the BlastUp IO, and you might have to reconnect the wallet, but mine immediately connected, which is cool. And then choose the amount you want to buy. So I think minimum is 0.003. Yeah, minimum amount is 0.003, which is like less than $2, which you're gonna get 31 of the BlastUp token. I'm gonna do let's say 0.0 like 18, which is like 10.54, but also I'm getting some extra because I'm buying the bigger amount. Bigger, well, it's $10, right? So I'm gonna press buy now, and when I'm gonna press buy now, it asks me to confirm it with my MetaMask wallet, and the fee will be 19 cents. I'm gonna press confirm. And boom, the transaction completed successfully. Transaction details. Token will appear in your profile soon. Usually it takes around 1 to 5 minutes. Open profile. My BLP holding, it is not yet, so you can actually do it. By the way, you have a referral link in the description of this video. So this is something for you guys, special. Claim BLP will be available after the TGE. So great. I'm gonna just wait when it will be on my wallet. All right, so a few minutes later, I can see that I have 191 BLP on my wallet, which is worth 10.51. And I have the booster point, which is 64 booster points. Remember to use the referral link in the description of this video. And click here to learn more. So we can see that booster points is a special token that BlastUp is launching to support all the project's community. As a BlastUp user, believe to investor, you'll be able to earn, spend, and store booster points. So it's kind of like a second token, right? So that's pretty cool. So it actually gives you the option to earn some airdrop and actually be a part of it. So this is it, just showing you how to buy the BlastUp token in a simple thing, especially that you know, it's part of the pre-sale. If it's already over the pre-sale, then I'm gonna cover that in a separate video if you guys interested how to actually buy it on the open market. This is it from me, and I hope you enjoyed that video. If yes, you know what to do, just hit that like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care.
Investors in town, sharing hidden treasures he's found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds. Unlocking the secrets of the